If you've ever tried editing videos with CapCut and wanted to add Arabic text, you might have noticed it's not as straightforward as with some other languages. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to enter and display Arabic text in CapCut, so by the end, you'll confidently be able to add captions, titles, or overlays in Arabic, whether for family videos, social media, or even professional projects. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about how CapCut handles Arabic text. CapCut does support displaying Arabic characters, but typing them in can sometimes require a bit of a workaround, especially if your device isn't already set up to support multiple languages. No worries, I'll walk you through everything you need. Start by opening up your CapCut project. Once you're inside, head over to the Text tab. You'll usually find this along the bottom bar if you're on mobile or in the toolbar on desktop. Go ahead and add a new text layer to your timeline. This is where you'll be entering your Arabic words or phrases. Imagine this like preparing your canvas. You need a space in your project for your Arabic text to live. Now, it's really important to make sure that your device's keyboard is set to Arabic before you start typing. If you're on a computer, you can usually switch between keyboard languages by pressing Alt and Shift together. On smartphones or tablets, look for the globe icon or a language key on the virtual keyboard. Tap that until you see the Arabic layout pop up. Don't worry if you haven't added Arabic to your device before. It's just a quick trip into your device's language settings, and then it'll be right there whenever you need it. With your keyboard set to Arabic, click or tap into the text box in CapCut and start typing. You should immediately see Arabic characters appearing in your text layer. If they look reversed, disconnected, or just not right, pause for a moment. It might be due to the version of CapCut you're using, or sometimes the app's owner nationality settings, especially if CapCut is installed on a device set to an Arabic-speaking region. For most users, it should work just fine. But if you're having issues, a workaround can be to type the Arabic text in a separate app, like Google Docs, Notes, or even a dedicated Arabic typing tool, then copy and paste it into CapCut's text layer. This can help preserve the correct character alignment and display. When you get things working and your Arabic text shows up properly, you'll have all the usual CapCut text editing controls available. You can adjust the font, size, color, and style, just as you would with English or any other language. Remember, if the text looks strange or the letters aren't connecting as they should, double-check your system's language settings and try using the copy-paste technique I just mentioned. Patience here pays off. It's a little bit fiddly, but once you get it working, you'll have access to beautiful Arabic captions that look just right, whether for song lyrics, quotes, or conversations. So that's how you add Arabic text to CapCut. It might take a few moments to get your keyboard set up the first time, but after that, it gets much easier. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experience with adding Arabic text in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your projects.